Congrats, man. Great job.
Yeah, next week.
Team Liquid's reign of terror over Counterlogic Gaming was brought to an end. If you were watching it today, they'll have to pick up the pieces. Phoenix on the backside, I don't think he is actually going to go down. The Zayas is there. Dominate now to peel for him. Pops up flares. The team is working perfectly. Team Liquid take down enemy.
Ori. Go, watch it, Joshua, what do? Costa. I'm exhausting Costa. I'm not Costa. Costa. They're on me. High back. Peter, hey. Costa's dead.
Cloud9 continuing to try and pressure Sneaky. Sneaky, however, could be alive. He gets locked up.
Said that every time Cloud9 plays CLG, it's going to be a good one. And this may have been the best one we've ever seen.
Stops him from adding the DPS in, but they have the targets they want, and it's not looking good for Dig. Oh!
Hey!
Turtle on the flash.
Really just a nice way for TSM to break their 4-game losing streak.
All I want for my birthday is a normal pinky. Oh my god.
Ooh, damn. Wrecked.
Try it again. Do it again.
Impulse get their 11th win. He doesn't have a blast. This should be theirs. Oh my